Right, if there is one thing Airbnb would love to launch in 2022, that would be taking cryptocurrency as a payment. Guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Piers. I've worked with over 1,400 properties in the short-term rental and Airbnb market, and today I just want to share you some thoughts around what's happening in the market, and a little bit of thoughts around, because we work with clients in US, I've got investors who are property investors, but also crypto investors. I've got clients in the UK who are heavily invested in crypto, but also are heavily invested in short-term rental market. And I thought it's a good time to lay out the thoughts around what's going to happen this year in 2022. If so, if it works, or is it just going to be another thing in the market that people talk about and nothing ever happens? So if you're new to short-term rental or Airbnb business, just so that you are aware, Airbnb does take all the credit cards, debit cards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, but now what's next, right? As the world is heading into the crypto market, is this the right time for Airbnb to make a decision, or is it too early? It's something that we want to talk about in the UK, because again, I work with numbers of large clients and investors who are really taking over the UK market in short-term rental industry. And is this the time that they invest? Because they are in talk at the moment to create something in their business to take some direct bookings, working with different companies. Some of my clients also have invested in Dubai, where again crypto is quite big. So is this the right time to do it? The thing I want to share today is the top request from operators all over the world right now is to take crypto as a payment through Airbnb in 2022. Now, joining the alignment of, as you're probably aware, that Tesla has started taking crypto as a payment for their vehicles, right? It is the perfect timing. Now, I am a big fan of Elon Musk. He knows exactly what he's doing. He knows where the market's heading, and he knows his clientele. He really understands his end user. The people who are buying his cars are generally the people who are very productive around their investments, right? And also know exactly why and how they're going to do it. So I think it's an interesting topic to say, who is the next, Amazon, very big company. Are they willing to take any cryptocurrency payment? But because of their business model, because of the way they work with different operators and providers and distribution, is it probably not the viable thing to do? But in Airbnb, we're probably facing similar issues. Airbnb as a company, great, right? But because Airbnb works with millions and millions of different hosts around the world, how feasible would that be when they start taking crypto as a payment? Now, two things I want to ask you here. I would love to hear your thoughts. It's such a new topic right now, and I'm very much excited because every time we talk about something in the industry, there's always something ball rolling, in the industry, in the short-term rental market. I talk to more than 20-30 actual operators in a daily basis, because they're also my client, but also new operators who are willing to join us at GrowYourBnb. So I'd love to hear your thoughts around it. And secondly, if there's an opportunity for you to actually take it, would you accept it in your property market and your short-term rental business? So I think one of the biggest reasons we have been looking around crypto with Airbnb is why? Why would Airbnb accept it? Now, I think that's probably where Airbnb is. Again, one of the biggest thing about Airbnb was to have traveling and hosting all over the world, which is what we call the international market. Within that international market, is it going to be in the next coming years, would crypto make the payment a lot smoother and easier, right? So at the moment, as depending on the banks that you work with, if you're making payments, you are going to get charged for international fees. Whereas in this case, with the crypto, obviously it's one thing that's going to cover everything, right? So is it going to affect, or is it going to impact your Airbnb business and Airbnb business as a whole? That is something to watch and something to come. So guys, again, today's video was just a thought, because I speak to a lot of short-term rental operators in US, Dubai, UK, we have been talking around it. I've been actively, taking my team into it and understanding what's out there. But today I just wanted to share what your thoughts are, my thoughts are, a lot of question around my head, but also importantly, people who watch my video, they follow me for, this content. I do not sell courses, which means we actually have communication. There's loads of questions in the comments that I normally take over. So if you guys have got a question, please comment down below. But for now, look, my name is Piers from GrowYourBnb.com. Please make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will be back with another video soon.